Hello everyone. In my previous video, I've done the part 1 of C language. This is a continuation of the same video. So this is an example of hello world in C. Hash include stdio.h, int main function, curly braces on, my first program in C. Printf hello world /n is for new line, return 0. So printf is basically used for getting the output in C. Then these are the tokens in C. A C program consists of various tokens, and a token is either a keyword, identifier, a constant, a string literal, or a symbol. Okay, these are all tokens. So what our identifier means? C identifier is a name used to identify a variable, function, or any other user defined item. An identifier starts with a letter A to Z or small a to Z or underscore, followed by 0 or more letter, underscore, and digit 0 to 9. C does not allow punctuation characters such as at the rate, dollar sign, and percentile within identifiers. C is a case sensitive programming language. Very important that C is case sensitive. That means thus manpower and manpower. That means capital manpower with the capital M and small m written in manpower. They are treated differently because C is case sensitive programming language. Then what are keywords? The following list shows the reserved words in C. These reserved words may not be used as constants or variable or any other identifier names. For example, whatever we use as a reserved words like loop, all the loops, everything that is known as keywords. So they are the keywords like auto, else, long, switch, break, enum, register, type def, case, extern, return, union, char, float, short, unsigned, const, for, signed, void, continue, go to, etc. and many lot more. These are all keywords in C. Then what is loops in C? Basically, what is loop? Loop is the like continuous repetition of particular same statements. That is a loop based on a condition. So a loop statement allows us to execute a statement or group of statement multiple times. That is very important. Multiple time. Now number one loop for C is while loop. A while loop in C programming repeatedly executes a target statement as long as a given statement is true. So that loop will be continuing unless and until that statement become false. So this is a syntax. And what is a syntax means? Syntax means how to write this in a programming language, the rules for writing it. That is known as a syntax. So this is while condition, whatever the condition would be, curly braces on statement and curly braces close. This is how we write while loop in C language. Then for loop in C language. A for loop is a repetition control structure that allow you to efficiently write a loop that needs to execute a specific number of times. So this is the syntax for int, like initialization. We are doing the very all three things we are doing in a single line in a for loop. Like we are initializing the variable like int I is equals to 0. Then we are putting a condition, condition in the sense I greater than less than 20, whatever condition you want to give. Then we are doing the increment and decrement, whichever we want. And the curly braces on statement and closing the curly braces. Then the third last loop I will be discussing is do while loop. So unlike for and while loop, which test the loop condition at the top of the loop, the do while loop in C programming checks its condition at the bottom of the loop. Very important. This check the condition is always at the bottom, because we are saying do, we do some part of the coding and then we put the condition that is of while. A do while loop is similar to a while loop except the fact that it is guaranteed to execute at least one time. And what is the syntax of it? It is do statement and curly braces close, then while condition. Thank you. I hope this video would be clear to you. Thank you and have a nice day.